Ever wondered what a bank's mission is beyond just handling money? It's a great question, and when we look at Rogers Bank, the answer is pretty clear. It's all about making banking simple, rewarding, and accessible for Canadians. At its core, Rogers Bank's mission is to leverage the power of its parent company, Rogers Communications, to create financial products that uniquely benefit its customers. They're not a traditional big bank. Instead, they focus on a handful of key credit card products designed to integrate with and enhance the lives of Rogers, Fido, and Shaw customers. This focus allows them to offer tailored benefits, like a redemption bonus on Rogers purchases and the popular Roam Like Home Days, which are huge perks for frequent travelers. This mission is directly tied to their customer focus. Rogers Bank knows its customer base well. They're building a financial service that is an extension of their telecommunications and media ecosystem. This is why their products are built around ease of use. Think about their app. It's a single, simple place to manage your credit card, redeem rewards instantly, and even lock your card if you lose it. No complicated menus or convoluted processes. It's about putting control directly in the customer's hands. Their commitment to accessibility is another pillar of their customer focus. Rogers Bank is actively working to ensure their services are available to everyone, including those with disabilities. They're not just saying it, they have a dedicated accessibility plan and welcome feedback to continually improve. This proactive approach shows a genuine commitment to serving all Canadians, not just a select few. Ultimately, their mission and customer focus boil down to a simple philosophy: make more possible for every Canadian. They achieve this by simplifying finances, offering tangible rewards, and ensuring their services are inclusive and accessible to all. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.